Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit this beautiful stitch. I really like it and I'm going to use it for the hat. Of course you can use it for cardigans, sweaters, blankets. Perfect, really cute stitch, cable stitch. For this stitch you need to cast on the number that is divisible by 13 plus 2 selvage stitches. Now I cast it on 28 stitches. And row number 1, slip the first stitch. It's a selvage stitch. We are going always slip it and start. Purl 2 and then knit 2. Purl 2 and knit 1. Pay attention. Then purl 2 knit 2 and purl 2. Now we are going to repeat these 13 stitches. Purl 2 knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and purl the last selvage stitch. We will always purl it. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch, and all even rows for this pattern we will knit in the same way. We are going to purl all stitches across. So purl all stitches. Purl, purl till the end. A little bit more. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 3 will be the same as row number 1. So we are going to repeat. Slip the first stitch, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and repeat. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and knit 1. Row number 4 will be the same as row number 2. And now go on repeating. Row number 5 is row number 1, row number 6 is row number 2, row number 7 is row number 1, and row number 8 is row number 2. So go on knitting 8 rows in total. That's what I have. Now row number 9, we will need a cable needle or extra needle because we are going to make cable twists. Slip the first stitch and purl 2. Now we will need to make a left leaning cable twist, so you can use a cable needle, slip next 2 stitches to the cable needle and hold them in front. After that, knit 2 from the left hand needle and knit 2 from the cable needle. So we did a left leaning cable twist. Now knit 1, and after that we will need to make a right leaning cable twist. So again, slip next 2 stitches to the cable needle, but this time hold them in back. Pay attention where is the working yarn now. Now knit 2 from the left hand needle and knit 2 from the cable needle. You can return them if it's uncomfortable for you. For me it's okay. Return to the left hand needle and knit from the left hand needle. So you see left and right cable twists and purl 2. And now I want to show you how to make cable twists without a cable needle. So let's repeat. Purl 2. Now with the tip of right hand needle, pick up the 3rd and 4th stitch in back and drop off 1st and 2nd stitch. And now right away pick up them with the tip of left hand needle and return 3rd and 4th stitch again to the left hand needle. Now knit 4. We did absolutely the same left leaning cable twist. Knit 1. Now right leaning cable twist with the tip of right hand needle now in front, not in back. Pick up 3rd and 4th stitch and drop off the needle 1st and 2nd stitch and pick up them with the tip of left hand needle and return 3rd and 4th stitch again to the left hand needle and knit 4. And you see we did a right leaning cable twist. Now purl 2 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 10, this is the last row, and as you remember, all even rows will be the same as row number 2. So purl all stitches till the end. That's it. Now to form a pattern, you will need to repeat everything from the beginning, from the first row. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and then purl all stitches like this. Knit 8 rows, then make cable twist, left lining and right lining, and purl the last row. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorial. Stay tuned. Bye!